We will see different codes used in CNC machine. So first we will see G code. G code as G00 means rapid travel of tool. G01 interpolation, straight line motion at a given feed rate, and G02 clockwise circular interpolation or clockwise helical interpolation, or R for radius. G03 counterclockwise circular interpolation or counterclock helical interpolation, or R for radius. G04 code will be used for dual stoppage of motion for a programmed length of time. I is delay in seconds. G09 exact stop. G10 programmable data input. G10.6 tool retract and recover. G11 programmable data input mode cancel. G12.1 X and Y axis, this feed speed, polar coordinates interpolation, XY pole center coordinate, I pole radius, J pole angle. G13.1 polar coordinates interpolation cancel. G17 XY plane selection. G17 XY plane selection, Z tool axis. G18 ZX plane selection, Y tool axis. G19 YZ plane selection, X tool axis. There are so many G codes are there. G20 outer diameter, internal diameter cutting cycle. G21 threading cycle. G22 stored stroke check function on. G23 stored stroke check function off. G24 end phase turning cycle. G25 spindle speed fluctuation detection off. G26 simple spindle speed fluctuation detection on. G27 reference position return check. G28 automatic return or home position of tool. G29 movement from reference position. G30 return to second, third and fourth reference position. G31 skip function. G33 thread cutting, K is the pitch. G34 variable lead thread cutting, K is the pitch. G35 clockwise circular thread cutting. G35 clockwise circular thread cutting. G36 counterclockwise circular thread cutting. G37.1 automatic tool offset. G38 tool radius, nose radius compensation with vector held. G39 tool radius, tool nose radius compensation, corner rounding interpolation. G40 tool radius, tool nose radius compensation, cancel cutter compensation off. G41 tool radius, tool nose radius compensation or offset left. G42 tool radius, tool nose radius compensation or offset right. G43 tool length compensation positive on. G44 tool length compensation negative on. G43.7 tool offset. G49 tool length compensation cancel off. G50.1 programmable mirror image cancel. G51.1 programmable mirror image. G50.2 polygon turning cancel. G51.2 polygon turning. Then G52 local coordinate system setting, G53 machine coordinate system setting, G54 workpiece coordinate system 1 selection, G55 workpiece coordinate system 2 selection, G56 workpiece coordinate system 3 selection, G57 workpiece coordinate system 4 selection, G58 workpiece coordinate system 5 selection, G59 workpiece coordinate system 6 selection, G61 exact stop mode, G62 automatic corner override mode, G63 tapping mode, G64 cutting mode, G65 macro call, G66 macro modal call A, G66.1 macro modal call B, G67 macro modal call A B cancel, G68 mirror image on or double turret or balance cutting mode, G61.1 coordinate system rotation start 3-dimensional coordinate system conversion mode on, G69 mirror image off for double turret balance cutting mode cancel, G69.1 coordinate system rotation cancel 3-dimensional coordinate system conversion mode off, G70 inch mode program, G71 metric mode program, G72 finishing cycle, G73 stock removal in turning, G74 stock removal in facing, G75 pattern repeating cycle, G74 stock removal in facing, G75 pattern repeating cycle, G76 end face peak drill cycle, G77 outer diameter internal diameter drilling cycle, G78 multiple thread cutting cycle, G80 canned cycle cancel for drilling, G81 stop drilling, G82 counter boring I is the delay in second. Then G83 cycle for face drilling I is the delay in second, K is the peck depth, G83.6 peck drilling cycle, G84 cycle for face tapping, G85 cycle for face boring, G87 cycle for side drilling, G88 cycle for side tapping, G89 cycle for side boring, G90 absolute programming, G91 internal incremental programming, G92 coordinate system setting or maximum spindle speed clamp, G92.1 workpiece coordinate system reset, G94 feet per minute, G95 feet per revolution, G96 constant surface speed control, G97 constant surface speed control cancel, G96.1 spindle indexing execution waiting for completion, G96.2 spindle indexing execution not waiting for completion, G96.3 spindle indexing completion check, G96.4 SV speed control mode on, G98 canned cycle return to initial level, G99 canned cycle return to R point level. So these are the G codes, or you can say preparatory function codes. Before starting the machining operation, whatever the preparation is required, at that time G codes are used. Then miscellaneous code. Miscellaneous function or miscellaneous codes are used for indicating the miscellaneous function on CNC machine, like coolant on off, spindle on off, spindle clockwise rotation, counterclockwise rotation. So common M codes are as M00 program stop, M01 optional or planned stop. Then M02 program and M03 spindle rotation on, clockwise rotation M04 spindle rotation on, counterclockwise rotation M05 spindle rotation stop, M06 automatic tool change, M07 coolant on, M08 coolant on, M07 in the coolant on in the form of mist, and M08 coolant on in form of flood. M09 coolant off, M10 chuck open, M11 chuck close, M12 tailstock wheel in, M13 tailstock wheel out, M17 turret indexing forward, M18 turret indexing reverse, M19 programmable spindle orientation, M21 tailstock forward, M22 tailstock backward, M23 thread gradual pull out on, M24 thread gradual pull out of, M30 end of tape will remain automatically or end program with return to program stop, M41 gear select gear 1, M42 gear select gear 2, M43 gear select gear 3, M44 gear select gear 4, M48 feed rate override cancel off deactivated, M49 feed rate override cancel on activated, M52 unload last tool from spindle, M98 call subprogram, M99 return program subroutine. So these are the codes that we have to remember while programming the part. In next lecture we will see how the programming is to be taken place. We will select the object and we will select the part, and accordingly program is to be written. Okay.